Hello everyone, this is Anne from BOGOS. In this video, I'll show you how to display gift offers from BOGOS on your mobile app built with OneMobile. First, create your gift offers in the BOGOS app and build your mobile app using OneMobile. Next, you'll need to enable the BOGOS integration in OneMobile. Open the OneMobile app, go to the Account tab, select Integrations, find BOGOS, and turn on the integration by clicking the toggle. Then, go to the App Design tab and click Customize. In the editor, search for the gift block. Drag and drop the gift block into your mobile app, then click Publish to App. That's it. The integration is now complete. Now, let's configure BOGOS to display gift offers on your OneMobile app. Open the BOGOS app and navigate to Settings. In the Clone Gift Products section, click Edit Sales Channels and select OneMobile. At this point, your BOGOS gift offers can run on OneMobile, along with any other sales channels you've enabled. If you'd like a specific gift offer to run only on the OneMobile app, open that gift campaign and add a subcondition. Then select Sales Channels, check the mobile app channel, and uncheck any other sales channels. This ensures that the selected gift offer is displayed exclusively on your OneMobile app. There's one final step. Go to the Products section in your Shopify admin. Here, you can choose which gift products are available on different sales channels. Select the products you want to update, click the three-dot menu, then choose Include in Sales Channels or Exclude from Sales Channels. Select OneMobile and save your changes. You're all set. Your gift offers from BOGOS will now be displayed on your mobile app built with OneMobile. And that's it. Thanks for watching.